Hi guys, this is 2020 Audi Q3. So this car I'm going to do the replace for the timing belt. This timing belt is located in this side, this underneath this cover. So this car, the mileage is 100,000 kilometers. That's why we're doing in the timing belt. We're doing only this side, and this side coming in another water pump, the belt we're not doing that, so only doing for the timing belt only. Okay guys, here's the timing belt. This is a timing belt tensioner, and this is the idle wheel. They come with the crank bolt, and they're coming all the new bolts. Okay, this is the timing belt. So we have to off this the engine mount. Need to off this one, and the cover and everything. So we off the spark plug. We need to find the number one cylinder as a TDC. We are turning the crank. So we need to off this side, these two T50 two bolts, one here, and this timing cover, the water pump. This is the timing tool kit. We need this tool, need to put back for the lock for the timing. Okay, we have to turn the crank, so need to get the timing mark. Turn the crank. So you can see the screwdriver coming up a little bit. We have to find the top dead center. Okay, now it's all right. So I'm going to install the timing tool. Okay, it's the timing belt. Okay, we remove the crankshaft back bolt in here. This one. So this is the number 18 bolt. Okay, here's the pin. Pin is all the way in. So we're going to off the engine mount. Okay, here's the timing belt, and here's the belt tensioner. The crank, you have to mark it, the crank pulley wheels also. Before the removing, we put the belt mark in here and in here, and then we count the teeth in there to there, the 16 teeth, and the crank, one mark in here, one mark in there. Make sure the right time mark. Tensioner, here lock in here. So we need like this tool with the edges for the tensioner. Okay guys, this timing belt has teeth. It's a 163 as a timing belt teeth. We can count it with all the belts. Yeah, we're going to adjust the timing belt. You can see the arrow mark in here. Okay guys, we finally set the timing. Timing is right in the marks. The bottom one. We're taking out the timing tool. So I'm going to install the cover. So we install the top side engine mount and the coolant bottle, and this side all the things we put back. We tighten the adjuster. Okay guys, we done the job. We're going to start the car. Okay guys, you can see the car is running fine. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. See you next one.